God is generous all the time. From the traditional call and response, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. This week we've been focusing on God's generosity and how it's helped us become more aware of the abundance in our lives. What one thing do we want to carry forward that will help us stay grounded in God's love? Looking back over this week's reflections, what resonated the most with us? How might we integrate God's generosity into our daily routine?